Okay, I am ready. My hair is wet, and I'm going to do a collab with a high-speed hair dryer. It's 1400 watt, and the model is Max 1GS. I ordered a purple one, and the brand is called Maxodo. Maxodo. Okay, so let's check it out. It came in this, and then it's in this nice box, and I haven't even looked at it yet. They said I could order green or purple, and I ordered purple because my whole house used to be purple, plum, and I like purple better than green. But you get what you like because there's colors. Okay, this plastic film on it. It's gonna look like this. It's compared to a Dyson, I think. I could never afford the Dyson, but this is an affordable one. And it's 30% off right now. And I will supply a link. It's on Amazon. I'll supply a link and a code. It's coming. Nice box. Okay, look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Okay. Comes out like this. All right, nice box. Okay, and it has an attachment and the instruction book. All right, high-speed brushless hair dryer. Okay, it gives the warnings, which I'm sure they're normal for everything. Don't use it by your bathtub. Okay, getting to know your hair dryer. Hair carrying ionic technology, hot, cold air circulation mode, noise reducing technology, digital monitor. Okay, you plug it in, and oh, it has a filter in it that you can clean it. Okay, this paper comes off. It's like parchment paper. Okay, that comes off. I love it, look. Oh, and it has this thing you peel off. Okay. It's like a mirror right here. Okay. It has the speeds. The first button is the temperature control, and the second button is power and air flow control. So it has two speeds, low and high. All right, filter should be cleaned and maintained regularly to avoid damage, ensuring that the airflow is good, no blockage. Okay, that screws all down here. Okay, and they give you some troubleshooters. Okay, and it has this attachment, which I don't know how to put it on. Let's see how the attachment goes. The concentrator. Okay. That's what this is. It's called a concentrator to get this kind of airflow. Okay. Now, I gotta plug it in. Ooh, look at the heavy-duty cord. And it comes with one of these things, which I always appreciate. Okay. I gotta plug it in. I have a plug here, and I have a plug over there. Oh, that's my light. Probably don't need it. Oh, it has a protector thing. You gotta take that off. Okay. I don't know if I need my light. I'll plug it in again. Because we want to be set to go and have the best lighting possible. All right, here we go. All right. Did it get plugged in? Am I going yet? Well, that's plugged in. Doing something wrong. I know it's not the hairdryer, it's me. I probably shouldn't plug into that. It has a safety feature to test and reset. I probably plugged that, and it has a light here to make sure that. So I'm gonna go around here and plug it in over here. In my plug-in down here. Sorry. Are plug-ins a problem at your house? They sure are at mine. All right, it's plugged in. Alrighty. I'm anxious. Oh, it's this way. I thought it was this way. Okay, let's see. Cool, here's cool air. Okay. Oh, it's really powerful. It's blowing all my stuff. Okay, let's do this one. And see. I was trying to put it on this end. This is not the end. This is just a beautiful component. It's really a good mirror. Okay. Oh my, it blows. And the heat. I tried it on the hot and then I put it on the cool. The heat is good. But there we go. I'm gonna try it on the heat. I like it. Very powerful. Look. Blows everything. It's drying really fast. All right. You know when you're driving a motorcycle down the road 80 miles an hour? That's how much power that is, feels like. And I know, because my husband used to have a Harley Davidson. All right. It's dry. How long did that take me? Not very long. At all. It's a little damp right here still. But it works. If you want a powerful hair dryer, it's beautiful, and you can redirect it this way. Oh, maybe I should have it this way. Look at it. That's how good it blows. I like it. As you could tell, I'm not a professional dresser. I don't have that round comb that they comb your hair with and curl it with that round comb brush. I don't have one of those. But it, and I already had product on my hair, the blow dry stuff and the conditioner, leave-in conditioner. Oh, wow. I am ready to go in like 5 minutes. So, here's the name of it again. Maxodo. And I'm going to put the link in the description. And if you're in the market for a hair dryer, I would suggest this high power one. Ionic. Makes my hair have so much more body and fluff. I'll have to just, curl it now. And now I'm ready. All right, I wanted to see the statistics on it more, because it is very powerful. And we are here to assist you. So our Maxodo support team is available 7 days a week, and we'll get back to your inquiry within 24 hours. If you have any suggestions. And they have a shop, maxodoshop.com, but this one is on Amazon. So I am impressed. I don't know what the Dyson's like, but I don't know how you can get more powerful than this. Heat and cool dry, and I'm impressed. So you can get it in green or purple, and I'll show you what Amazon looks like when you go there, because I went and looked already, because I wanted to see, are they tricking me? Amazon, here it is, hair dryer, right here. It's here, and you can compare with other things. You know how Amazon is. All right, is the dryer suitable for all hair types? Yes, it is. It's right here. All right. Now, regular price. Oh, and it comes in silver, blue, or purple. Oh, they offered me green. All right. It's $69.99, but it's 30% coupon. And they said, if you use my link, you could get it for $32. But I don't know if that's true because I don't have the link and I can't test it. But you could try it if I put the link down there. It hair dries in half the time, faster than normal blow dryers. I like that. 23 miles per hour wind speed. Oh, I said 80. Seemed like it to me. Motor speed is like a lot. RPM, it says. Okay. 400 million ionic, whatever. You can have it for curly hair, long hair, short hair, everything. And it weighs 1.1 pounds. It's lightweight. It's lighter weight than 8 bottle of water, it says. It doesn't make your ears ring because it's low noise. It's only 60 decibels. And it has cool, warm, hot, hot, and cold. All right. What else? It reduces frizzies. And it's easy to travel with because it's small. And not as small as those little ones they give you in motels. All right. The price is cheaper, and it has questions. People who ask questions. What is the difference between a Maxodo hairdryer and a $300 hairdryer? All right. It has a high-speed motor, and it matches the functionality of a $300 hairdryer. Quick drying, intelligent heat control, multiple settings, ionic technology, and lightweight design. Why Maxodo offered cheap price? By streamlining our production process and reducing manufacturing costs, we can pass the savings directly to our customers without compromising on quality. And do you have diffusers that I can purchase? Yes. You can search and it tells you where, which comes with a diffuser and a travel storage bag as well, and more options. So, it has a 1-year assurance service, and it releases 200 million negative ions to reduce frizz. Locks in moisture, leaves hair soft and shiny. It is pretty soft compared to my other one. All right, I think I told you everything about it that you could care about. It came out July 1st, so it's a brand new product. And so check it out and just go there. And I will put the links in my descriptions. So, this will be my thumbnail picture maybe. I'll hold this up like this. Take this down. We don't need the mirror. I didn't turn my sign on. Okay. Thanks for watching.